This is Umair Hassan and I am going to solve questions related to gradient from D2 exercise 2a, and question will be 3 and 4. So the concept of gradient as discussed in my previous lesson was that whatever is the change in the value of y divided by the change in x. Okay. Now we have this question, that is question number 3, and we have to find gradient of the given lines, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4 and line 5. In my previous lesson I have discussed that the gradient of a horizontal line is 0 while the gradient of vertical line is undefined. So I will be explaining this one again in this question when we have a horizontal line and a vertical line. Now consider the line 1. This is the line 1. So according to the given line, I have taken 2 points on this line. To find the gradient, we need 2 points. We need coordinates of those points to find the change in y and the change in x. So I have considered this point whose coordinates are -5 and 3. And this is the second point on line 1 whose coordinates are -3 and 1. -3 on x-axis and 1 on y-axis. Now when you have got 2 points, now you know the formula for finding the gradient, that is m is equal to, m represents gradient, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now this is what was the change in y basically. Y2 minus y1 is the change in y. This is y2, this is y1. So the difference in the values of y will give you the change in y, divided by x2 minus x1 is the change in x from this point to this point. Now y2 minus y1, I have taken this point as y2 and this one as x2. That is not a compulsion that this should be y2 or this should be y2. If you are considering this one as y2 and this one as x2, then this will be y1 and this will be x1. So you have to fix your coordinates accordingly. If this is y2, then this is x2. Similarly, this is y1 in this case and this is x1. So y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3, as you can see, divided by x2 minus x1. Now x2 is minus 3 and x1 is minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 will give you minus 3 plus 5. Minus into minus will become plus. So minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. The sign of the bigger number will retain. So minus 2 over 2 will give you minus 1, which is the gradient for line 1. Line 2 is a horizontal line and there is no change in the value of y from this point till this point. If you are taking these 2 points, this one and this one on line 2, then you will find that y is same here as well as at this point. You have got y value equal to 1 at this point and the value of y at this point is also 1. So y2 minus y1 will give you 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So if this will be 0, mean change in y is 0 and change in y 0 mean we have 0 gradient. Moving towards line number 3. concept is same. Take 2 points on your line. You can take points anywhere. I found it convenient to take points at the end and at the start. If this is the start, this is the end of line 3, then start point and end point was convenient for me. The coordinates of the starting point is -1 and 1. -1 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. The coordinates of the end point of line 3 are 0.5 on x-axis and 2.5 on y-axis. Now you got 2 points, you got their coordinates, apply the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula. So y2 is this one and this one is y1. 2.5 minus 1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 is 0.5 and x1 is minus 1. So 0.5 minus -1 because we subtract them. Again I will repeat this. y2 is 2.5 minus y1 is 1. 2.5 minus 1. x2 is 0.5 minus x1 which is also -1. So minus and minus will become plus. So your answer will be 1.5 or 1.5 and n, the gradient for line 3 is 1. Line 4. Line 4 has got some gradient obviously. Consider 2 points on line 4. This point may be the starting point according to me, and this one is the end point of this line number 4. Mark the coordinates of these points. This point is 0.5 and 2.5, mean the value of x is 0.5 and the value of y at this point is 2.5. While this point on x-axis you have got 2.5 and on y-axis you have got minus 2.5. X-axis 2.5, y-axis minus 2.5. So after writing the coordinates, find the gradient using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2, okay, this one is y2 over here. You can name any one of these as y2 and x2, but if this is y2 then this is y1. If this is y2 then this is y1. If this is x2, this is x1. So y2 minus 2.5, y2 minus y1, which is 2.5. So minus 2.5 minus 2.5 over x2 minus x1. x2 is 2.5 and x1 is 0.5. So 2.5 minus 0.5. So 2.5 minus 2.5 will give you minus 5. Signs are same. They will be hybrid. A bigger number will be obtained, but no, because signs are negative, so you will have minus 5. Over 2.5 minus 0.5 will give you 2. Minus 5 over 2 will give you minus 2.5. The gradient for line number 4. While line number 5 is a vertical line, the value of x at the starting point of this line and the end point of this line, the value of x is same. You can see 2.5, 2.5. No change in x. And for vertical line, gradient is undefined. Question number 4. We have been provided with these lines L1, L2, L3, L4 and 5. Symbolizes line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. L1 is line 1, L2 is line 2, L3 is line 3, L4 is line 4, L5 is line 5. They are also given that L2 is parallel to L5. If two lines are parallel, their gradients are same. Similarly, L4 and L6, they are parallel. So if lines are parallel, their gradients are same. Now we have been given the gradient of L6 in the question. The gradient of L6, this one, is 1 by 2. Now L6 is parallel to L4. You can see in the diagram. L6 and L4, they are parallel. So their gradient must be same. If gradient of L6 is 1 by 2, then gradient of L4 is also 1 by 2. Similarly, we have got L5 and L2 as parallel. So the gradient of L5 is given minus 3. If gradient of L5 is minus 3 and L5 is parallel to L2, then gradient of L2 will also be minus 3. Here you can write minus 3. Here you can write 1 over 2. So you got the gradient of L4 and L2. Now talking about the gradient of L3. So L3 is a vertical line whose gradient is undefined. So gradient of L3 is undefined because it is a vertical line. And gradient of L1 is a horizontal line, then its gradient is 0. So the gradient of L1 is 0, gradient of L3 is undefined, gradient of L4 is 1 by 2, gradient of L2 is minus 3.